To access Microsoft Teams on a laptop or a computer, you need to start by opening Google Chrome. If you are using a tablet or a smartphone, you'll need to download the Microsoft Teams, OneNote and OneDrive app from your App Store. So on Google Chrome, you can just search for Microsoft Teams, and it's the first link here. So this is the page where you'll need to sign in using your child's username and password that you have been sent on parent mail. So this is the username. If you click next, this is where you'll type the password and sign in. This gives you the option to stay signed in, which I'm just going to click no for now. Then the next page gives you the option to download the Windows app, or you can carry on using that web app instead. So we're now logged into Microsoft Teams. You can turn on notifications or dismiss them. I'm going to turn them on for now. So this is the Microsoft Teams homepage. Here you will see your child's class team. So this is the Reception Busy Bees class. If I click on here, this will take me to the general channel. So on the left hand side here, you can see two channels. We've got general and children's work. So the general channel is where the teachers will post the children's activities or work that needs to be completed. So as you can see here, there's an autumn activity. So it outlines what the activity is here. So please watch the video of the autumn story. In the children's work channel, can you and your child write a sentence about what you like about autumn? So I can just click on this link here. That will open the story. So once I've watched the story, I can then go back into Teams, and in the children's work channel, I've got to write a sentence about what I like about autumn. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to start a new conversation where I'll just put colours leaves. It just needs to be a short sentence, and then to send the message, you just click on this arrow here.